going on, YouTube? Just going to do a quick install video of the strut bars. So, got the strut bar, got my little helper. Say hi, Colton.
Hi.
And we got the engine. So basically, this is the front strut here. To get this off, just a flat screwdriver. It's probably on that little opening right there, and that comes off. It just holds on those top nuts. Yep. So now we need a socket wrench, right? And I'm just going to use a 13 millimeter, and we will take these sockets off. So now what do we need to do?
You need to put that on.
Okay, I need to put that on. Okay, so here is the front strut bar. It's got a couple of bolts here that go in through the firewall, which is already pre-drilled. I've gotten all of those nuts off, so I will set that down and we'll continue from there. All right, so the bar, it literally just sets down and fits. This rests all the way up against this bar back here. There are existing holes in there, but these do not line up with the existing holes. So basically you take a punch, feed it through there, and tap with a hammer, which I've already done. So with those out of the way, you can see the punch mark, and we can grab our drill bits to drill those out. So I just put a towel down before I drilled this out. That way all the metal shavings get caught and they won't go down into the engine. There you go, both holes are drilled and all the little metal shavings are caught in the towel. We'll clean this up and then we'll put the bar back on. Alrighty, took a little coaxing. Basically, I got them just about all the way through, and then I just started threading them in until they grabbed, and they're all the way through the other side. I'll get the washers and nuts on right now, and then we can get that tightened down. Alright, sweetheart, here's Daddy's wrench. Hold it. Okay, so I got my two helpers now. We got these bolts tightened down, and I'm just gonna tighten down the strut bolts now. These are not tight, they're just on there, and so everything can settle in real nice, but we will tighten down the 6 strut bolts now. So my helpers are done helping me, but it's okay. We got the strut tower brace installed. Everything's tightened down. I believe it says these are supposed to be about 40 foot-pounds. That's actually really tight, but do about 30 or so. Of course, drive for a little bit, come back, double check that everything's staying tight. And there you go. If you have the strut tower bar installed from the factory, there's actually like fancy black caps that go and cover this part right there. It does nothing but makes it a little bit more cosmetically pleasing. But there you go. Check out the next video when I go install the rear strut tower brace. It's a 4-point brace that goes in the rear. But hopefully you guys found this helpful. Thanks.